How to manage community comments on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage community comments on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and here you will find this one, activity log. Click on it and click groups, communities, events and reels, and go down and here you'll find community comments, and here you can easily manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.